Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will tell you how you can get the NV21 image format with the help of image analysis using CameraX in native Android application. So let's get started. So first, for the output side of things, there is nothing really to show over here. So I'll quickly show you guys the output, but there is nothing to really show. So why we use the NV21 format? Because libraries like OpenCV or machine learning, those use this NV21 format a lot. That's why this is a great addition to this. So I'll just give the camera permission, and here you can see that we have this take photo button. And if I quickly show you the logs, in the logs we are just okay, I'm not here. You can see like we are just getting the NV21 format. I'm just printing it to the logs, okay, on every frame. So if you want to do some kind of a real-time processing, then NV21 image format is very helpful. So yeah, let's see how to achieve this. So it's pretty simple. So I've just created a native Android application. I'm using XML layout, but if you want, you can use Jetpack Compose as well. It's completely up to you. So once you create an XML project, I have just went to the particular build.gradle file over here, and here I have added camera core. Then I have also added camera 2, camera lifecycle, as well as camera view. And here you have the sync now button. Just click on the sync now button and it will download all the Android dependencies for you. Then inside, just go to android manifest.xml, and here you need to add uses feature of Android hardware camera permission, as well as write external storage permission. Then go to activity underscore main, which should be present inside res layout. And here you just need to add this camera preview view for where the width and height is 0 dp, and we are constraining it to all sides of the screen. And here we have this image capture button as well. Again, this image capture button is pretty much useless because we are not really doing anything over here, like I said. But if you want to take a photo, you can do that. Then inside main activity, here you can see firstly these are all the imports. So I'll simply scroll through this. You'll have to copy paste all these imports. I'll just remove these dead imports which I'm not really using. Okay, then here we have this image capture, we have our camera executor, we have our viewfinder preview. Then here we have here we are requesting for multiple camera permissions. If camera permissions are given, then we just start camera, else we just display a toast message. Then here inside on create, we initialize our viewfinder first, and if camera permissions are granted, we call start camera, else we request the camera permission. Then on click of the button, we just call take photo. So here we can see we get hold of our image capture, we display the name using simple date format. Then here we have content values dot apply by passing the display name, mime type. If Android version greater than p, we also set the relative path. Then we do image capture dot output file options by passing in the content resolver, external content URI, and content values as well. Then we do image capture dot take picture. Here we pass the output options. Then we do context compat dot get main executor, and then here we override on image saved, on error as well as on image saved. So in case of on image saved, we just display a toast message. Then here we have a start camera where we initialize the aspect ratio strategy, and here we have the resolution selector where we set the aspect ratio strategy. Here is our process camera provider as well. Then here we add the listener where we get hold of our process camera provider. Here is our camera selector. Then we initialize the preview view. Then we initialize our image capture as well. We unbind our camera provider. Here we define our image and image analysis dot builder, set the output image format, and here is our back pressure strategy as well. Then we do image analysis dot set analyzer. Here is our image proxy. Here we get the NV21 bytes as well. Then we get the width and height, and here you can see we are just printing it to the logs, the NV21 frames which we are getting. Then we close our image proxy, we bind it to the life cycle over here as well. And then here you can see this is just a helpful method to get the byte array from byte buffer. And here we have the request permissions. Here we get all permissions granted, and here we have this on destroy as well, and these are some helpful variables which I have defined. So yeah, and here, okay, so you can just ignore this was just part of my debugging, so I'll quickly remove this and ignore this as well. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.